Hi, my name is Andrew Meacham. I'm with CS Beatty. I'm going to show you a proper walk around on a Komatsu bulldozer. We're going to start in the back end here. Start with the final drive. Make sure all of our bolts are present, not loose. Make sure there's no leaking oil anywhere all in there. We're going to check the teeth, make sure the teeth aren't broken or cracked. We're going to walk around, check our frame, make sure everything's good there. Check our rollers, make sure those are attached. There's no brakes on those either. We're going to come on top, check our tracks, make sure the bolts are present, not loose. Keep working our way down. We're going to get to the idler wheel. Again, we're going to make sure that the idler wheel is intact. There's no breaks or cracks in the welds. Then we'll move around to the front of the blade here. And we're going to make sure that all the welds to the blade and the dozer arms are intact. Make sure our grease fittings are present. Make sure there's no mud on our steps so that we can get up into the bulldozer safely. Moving around to the front, we're going to check the actual blade, make sure the bolts are present and accounted for. There's no breaks in the welds, and our blade is sharp. And then we'll continue around to the other side. Walk around and check the exterior of the vehicle. We'll open up our access panels here. We'll check all of our fluid levels, hydraulic, oil, antifreeze, any fluids like that. Make sure that all the wires are not leaking, not broken, not frayed. Again, we'll check this access panel. Here we have our air filter. We're going to take off the cover of the air filter, make sure that the air filter isn't clogged up with a lot of dirt and dust. If need be, we can get an air compressor and blow that out. Again, opening up our panels, checking our fluids. We've got our battery back here. We're going to make sure that there's no corrosion and the battery connections are firm. And that concludes the exterior check of the vehicle. We're going to get in the cab. We're going to make sure everything in the cab is working perfectly so that we can operate the machine in a safe manner. First and foremost, when you're mounting the machine, you want to maintain 3 points of contact at all times. Now that we're inside of the cab, we're going to make sure that everything inside of the cab is working properly. Make sure that all of our controls are loose and operational. We're going to check for any dirt or debris, especially on the floor, that would get in the way of our feet. We're going to check all of our windows, make sure that those aren't broken or cracked to hinder our view. We're going to check our mirrors. Before we get anything started, we're going to fasten our seat belts. All right, now we're going to turn the key to the on position, wait for the computer system to warm up, let us know everything's working properly, and then we'll crank the vehicle on. Now that we're cranked up, we raise up our 2 hydraulic control mechanisms, place your foot on the brake, and you're ready to rock and roll.